Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Today I'm going to tell you some of the things that you can do to get your windows prepared for seasonal changes. Let's go. Let's say, for instance, you've got some rain clouds coming. You know, it's starting to get into the fall and the rain clouds are starting to form up and you're like, man, I hope my windows can deal with the abuse, right? Well, I'm gonna look at it from two different ways. And this goes for any window. Make sure that any rain that gets onto the window and inside the track, because it always will happen, that it has a place to go out. And if you look on the outside of all of your windows, you'll see that there's these little gaps, these little holes that are meant for water to escape out of the window. What you want to do is make sure that you have everything cleaned up. There's all kinds of things you can do, taking like paintbrushes and scrubbing things down, taking a shop vac, cleaning up behind it, making sure that everything is good, all the debris. And this is most important in vinyl windows, because the last thing you want to have happening is all that dirt being inside those little weep hole channels and blocking things for you. Another thing that's really big on windows, especially vinyl windows, during the rainy season is making sure that the outside of all the windows are sealed in. One thing I will say is if the windows are installed, you had a company come out and install them for you, and you see something like that, you bring it to their attention, because more times than not, they're going to cover that for you. They're just gonna come out and reseal it. Heat, obviously a little bit different, because there's not a whole lot you can do to get yourself a better performing window when it just comes to heat. Winds also are an issue, because if water can get past beads of caulking and everything else, then well, wind can as well. And you can have these things whistling at you, the windows I mean, you know, making sure that it's all cleaned up and it's gonna give you the best protection against the wind infiltration, dirt, things of that nature. And then you have the water. These are the things you wanna look for whenever you're talking about getting set up for the weather coming. Okay guys, I hope this helps. There's other videos out there that you can look up, I'm sure, that will give you in-depth detail of what you want to do, but these are the steps that I would take to get yourself ready for weather coming. Okay guys, make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.